Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you the 5 best dual dash camera. We'll explore its key features, performance and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Dash Cam Front Rear. 4K built-in 5G Wi-Fi GPS, voice control, 3.39-inch IPS screen, dual dash camera for car includes 64GB SD card. Super night vision, 24H parking monitor, super capacitor, Type-C, HDR. Brand, Focaway. Model name, D2 Duo 4K. Orientation, front and rear. Vehicle service, type minivan, bus, SUV, car, truck. Connectivity technology, Wi-Fi. Special feature, 3.39-inch IPS screen, automatic incident detection, built-in 5GH Wi-Fi and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, time-lapse recording, warranty, supported Focaway.com, 3.39-inch IPS screen, automatic incident detection, built-in 5GH Wi-Fi and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, time-lapse recording. Video capture resolution, 4K 2160p. Included components: 1080p rear camera with cable, 11.15-foot mini USB car charger with extra USB port, 4K front camera with GPS, crowbar tool and cable clips, electrostatic sticker, adhesive sticker pads, 2-pack, 1080p rear camera with cable, 11.15-foot mini USB car charger with extra USB port, 4K front camera with GPS. Mounting type, adhesive pads. Color, black. Note, the operating temperature range for the dash cam is -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, -18 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius. We recommend avoiding prolonged exposure to direct sunlight, especially during summer, as it may shorten the camera's lifespan and potentially damage the screen. If you plan to park outdoors for an extended period, please remove the dash cam or install it in a shaded location. 4K Ultra HD resolution and wide viewing angle, the Focaway D2 Duo captures footage in stunning 4K Ultra HD, 3840*2160p, resolution for the front camera and Full HD 1080p for the rear camera, ensuring crystal clear video with smooth playback. The new 170-degree wide-angle lens covers more of the road and surroundings, helping you capture crucial details such as vehicle number plates and road signs. Number 2. REDTIGER Dash Cam Front Rear. 4K per 2.5K Full HD dash camera for cars. Included 32GB card, built-in Wi-Fi GPS, 3.16-inch IPS screen, night vision. 170 degrees wide angle, WDR, 24H parking mode. Brand, REDTIGER. Model name, F7NP. Orientation, front and rear. Vehicle service, type bus, car, minivan, truck. Connectivity technology, Wi-Fi. Special feature, app control, built-in display, built-in GPS, night vision, parking monitor, built-in super capacitor, built-in Wi-Fi, compact design, internal memory, G-sensor, loop recording app control, built-in display, built-in GPS, night vision, parking monitor, built-in super capacitor, built-in Wi-Fi. Video capture resolution, 1080p, 2160p. Included components: 1x11.5 feet power supply cable with car charger, 1x21.3 feet rear camera cable, 1*F7N 4K dash cam, 1*1080p in-car rear camera, 1* suction cup built-in GPS, 32GB memory card, 2* electrostatic sticker, 1*11.5-foot power supply cable with car charger, 1x21. 3-foot rear camera cable, 1*F7N 4K dash cam, 1*1080p in-car rear. Number 3. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear. Starvis 2 sensor, free 128GB card included. 5G Wi-Fi up to 20 megabytes per second fastest download speed with app, 4K 2160p/FHD dash camera for cars, 3-inch IPS, 24H parking mode. Brand, ROVE. Model name, R2-4K Dual. Orientation, front and rear. Vehicle service, type bus, car, minivan, SUV, truck. Connectivity technology, USB, Wi-Fi. Special feature, 5G Wi-Fi, fastest download speed up to 20 megabytes per second, ROVE app for iOS and Android, OTA, over-the-air, firmware updates, built-in GPS for geo-tagging, life speed, supercapacitor for higher heat/cold and longer product life, built-in microphone, speaker, voice guidance, 360 degrees rotation, 150 degrees plus 140 degrees true wide-angle view, free 128 GB memory card included, up to 1 TB external storage support, HDR, high dynamic range, Sony Starvis 2 sensor, 2024 Super Night Vision low light capture technology, 3-inch IPS wider display, 5G Wi-Fi, fastest download speed up to 20 megabytes per second, ROVE app for iOS and Android, OTA, over-the-air, firmware updates. Video capture resolution, 1080p, 2160p. Included components, 1x 3.5mm USB-C power cable, 1x 1mm USB-C data cable, 1x 6.5mm rear cam extension cable, 1x dual USB fast car charger, 1x windshield suction mount, 1x 3mm sticky mount, 1x or 2-4K dual dash cam, 1x rear cam, 1x ROVE Pro 128GB micro SD card, 1x user manual, 1x quick start guide and 1x warranty card, 5x cable clips, 1x wire trim tool, 2x sticky tapes, 2x electrostatic films, 2x wet cleaning pads, 1x 3.5mm USB-C power cable, 1x 1mm USB-C data cable, 1x 6.5mm rear cam extension cable, 1x dual USB fast car charger. Mounting type, windshield mount. Color, black. 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, ROVE or 2-4K dual dash cam offers dual channel recording capabilities, capturing footage simultaneously from both the front and rear cameras. The front camera records at 3840x2160p at 30 fps, while the rear camera captures 1920x 1080p at 30 fps footage, ensuring clear recordings of the road ahead and behind you. With a 150 degrees ultra-wide angle for the front camera and a 140 degrees angle for the rear camera, you'll capture more of the road with this 4K dash cam. Number 4. WOLFBOX X3 2.5K 60 fps dash cam. Starvis 2 IMX675 with ADAS, 2.5K plus 1080p dual dash cam front and rear. Built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS included, 64 GB card, touchscreen, G-sensor, loop recording. Brand, WOLFBOX. Model name, X3. Orientation, front and rear and inside. Vehicle service, type bus, car, minivan, RV, truck. Connectivity technology, Wi-Fi. Special feature, app control, built-in display, built-in GPS, built-in supercapacitor, compact design, built-in Wi-Fi, G-sensor, internal memory, loop recording, night vision, parking monitor, reverse assist, touchscreen app control, built-in display, built-in GPS, built-in supercapacitor, compact design, built-in Wi-Fi, G-sensor, internal memory. See more. Video capture resolution, 1440p. Included components, 64 GB card, car charger, installation tool, quick guide, user manual. Mounting type, windshield mount. Color, black. 2.5K 60 fps plus 1080p 30 frames per second dual dash cam. WOLFBOX X3 dash cam for cars delivers ultra smooth front 2.5K, 2560*1440p. 60 frames per second and rear 1080p 30 frames per second resolution to accurately capture license plates and fine details. The front camera boasts the Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor, which reduces image noise and motion blur to deliver crystal clear footage even in low light conditions. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS. Connect X3 car dashcam via 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for faster, more stable video transfers to the WOLFBOX app, preview footage, download clips seamlessly or share videos. The built-in GPS accurately records vehicle speed and location, embedding all trip data directly into video files as irrefutable evidence. Smart ADAS and touchscreen. The WOLFBOX car camera features enhanced ADAS technology that proactively alerts you to road hazards, helping prevent potential dangers while driving, including pedestrian collision, lane departure, and stop and go. Simply tap the X3 wireless dashcam's touchscreen to turn on Wi-Fi for convenient driving. Number 5. Vantrue and 4S 3-channel front and side rear dashcam. 2.7K plus 1440p plus 1440p Wi-Fi dash camera with plate picks, Starbus 2X HDR XIR night vision. Voice control, GPS, 24/7 parking mode, LTE support 1 TB max. Brand, Vantrue. Model name, N4S. Orientation, front and rear and inside. Vehicle service, type pickup, roadster, SUV, sedan, truck. Connectivity technology, USB, Wi-Fi. Special feature, 2.7K, 1944p, plus 1440p plus 1440p 3-channel recording, MX675 sensor with Starbus 2 technology, dual system GPS logger, smart voice control, built-in microphone and speaker, 2-inch display, built-in supercapacitor, loop recording, support 1 TB max, LTE support, automatic incident detection, built-in Wi-Fi, night vision, parking monitor 2.7K, 1944p, plus 1440p plus 1440p 3-channel recording, AMX675 sensor with Starbus 2 technology, dual system GPS logger. Video capture resolution, 2.7K, 1944p, plus 1440p plus 1440p. Included components, car charger, 11.5 feet, *1, USB data cable, 3.3 feet. 1. Electrostatic stickers. 2. Spare bracket base, cable clips, GPS adhesive mount *1, crowbar *1, quick user guide *1, rear camera *1, in-car rear camera holder *1, rear camera cable, 20 feet, *1, Vantrue and 4S dashcam *1 car charger, 11.5 feet, *1, USB data cable, 3.3 feet, *1, electrostatic stickers *2, spare bracket base, cable clips, GPS ADH. Mounting type, windshield mount. Color, black. 3-channel dash cam, and 4S dash camera delivers superb performance based on cutting-edge IMX675 sensor, capturing crisp details of front, cabin and rear view simultaneously at 2.7K plus 1440p plus 1440p and ensuring smooth recordings. Combined with 158° plus 165° plus 160° wide-angle lenses, this dashcam provides you with complete evidence from multiple angles against insurance claims. Switch flexibly between 1/2/3 CH modes, disable interior cam/audio for privacy. Ideal for rideshare, taxis and families. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.